Hi, I'm Chris from Philippines and welcome to my channel. Minasan, konnichiwa! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I am reacting to Nagaoka Fireworks Phoenix 2017. So without further ado, let's play the video.
Go! 4, 3, 2, 1.
As well. Someone was singing. So beautiful. Wow. And colorful. So nice to see or to watch fireworks this way. I remember my childhood years. Every New Year, every New Year's Eve. Oh. Guys, I don't know why I'm getting emotional. It's just fireworks, but wow, it's so beautiful, right? Wow, they're like sunflower or palm tree. Wow, so big, so beautiful, so powerful. beautiful. I don't know why I got teary-eyed, guys. Oh my goodness. Well, I really love fireworks, and I remember when I was younger, my dad used to buy fireworks and then light it on New Year's Eve. I so missed my childhood years. It's so fun being a child, right guys? And these fireworks, wow, awesome, fantastic, extravagant. What a big fireworks display. And they look like flowers or palm trees in the sky. Wow. Well, I have here a little information about Nagaoka Fireworks Festival. So the Nagaoka Festival is held from August 1st to August 3rd around the Shinano River in Nagaoka City. Its main attractions are the portable shrine floats parades and folk dance processions during the day, with large-scale fireworks display in the evening on the final 2 days. Wow! So the next Nagaoka Firework Festival is on August 1, 2022 to August 3, 2022. Wow! So it's 3 days. So according to Google, this is the history of Nagaoka Fireworks. In 1947, the fireworks made their comeback in order to cheer up the people of Nagaoka. The Restoration Festival, which was since renamed Nagaoka Festival, evolved to become an annual event that commemorates the war victims and expresses a prayer for the peace and prosperity. Wow! So there's a reason why they're doing this fireworks display. Well, anyway guys, I had so much fun. I even got teary-eyed watching this video. Thank you guys for watching with me. I'll see you very soon.